We are pleased to show you the 2025 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, LED headlights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.